So being that we have a long closet, I'm going to focus on one side at a time, and at this moment I'm going to focus on my side. So I'm about to remove all of this stuff from out of here, and then try to do it with Carter because he's been a crybaby. But about to remove everything. This was a bad idea. I got it, but let's get started. So my closet was so junky to the point where I forgot Christmas presents in here. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Might as well just give it to him, but I found Christmas presents. So this is like my guardian angel. When I left to move to Japan, me and my husband in 2012, my mom gave me this to like watch over me while I was away from her, because that was my first time leaving my mom in 2012. In 2012. But this is kind of like something that I was hoping to give to my daughter, but I don't have a daughter, so I'm just gonna keep her with me. So yeah, unless my husband wants to have more kids, then maybe we'll have a little girl, but who's to say, it might be another boy. So everything on my side is empty, like it's all empty. So I'm about to start bringing the clothes in here. I'm done hanging up my clothes. I have my shirts and jackets up there, and then I have my pants down here. My dresses are right here. Then over here is my husband's side, and I am going to hang up his stuff over here. This is his work stuff, so we're not getting rid of any of that, but I'm gonna change the hangers out. But I'm about to start hanging up his stuff now. Okay, so everything is up. His pants are down here. His work stuff is all over here. So now I'm about to start putting all of the stuff that we had like on the top of the shelves. Waiting for it to, okay, there it goes. Start back putting our shoes. I'm gonna try to only put our shoes right here, but I don't know how that's gonna go. But I'm about to start putting everything that we had in the closet back in the closet.
Try again since that you're
extremely tired. Like ever since the day after Christmas, I have been decluttering and organizing my house. And it seems like as soon as I get one room together, the other room just gets dirty. Stop, buddy. Put it down. Put it down.
I'm working out though.
No, you're not working out. Put it down. Thank you, little one. So, I feel my body like draining. Like it's time to lay down, but I can't finish. I can't lay down because I have to finish. Like I literally have to finish. I want to relax all day tomorrow. I want to just sit in my bed and edit videos, plan Instagram content, and that's about it. Work on my website. Like I want to do all that tomorrow.
Mommy, when was Carter born?
What? In 2019. But
2019.
I don't know if that's gonna be possible because tonight it's already, what time is it, babe? Not babe. What time is it, Pity?
Daddy!
It's 7:08.
Yes, I know.
And let me show you. I have all of this.
You're gonna calm down and relax in your bed.
I have all of that I have to put back in the closet or throw away. And then once I finish this, let me show you. I have all of this to tackle.
And
then look at my bed.
And the tackle.
So it looks like this is gonna be an all-nighter. Stop, Caleb. Yeah. I'm tired. I'm like super tired. But there's no need to complain because I decided to do this. So it's no need to complain. I need to just get to it. And that's what I'm gonna do. After I eat ice cream.